heyitsfei. Today we're gonna do another lingerie haul. Oops, I mean spicy clothing haul. Mr. YouTube is watching. I know you guys love it when I'm in my nude suit. So today's lingerie haul is from SHEIN. Here we go. Make sure you guys check out my small business online boutique. We have some new launches and I'm so excited to bring you guys new corsets. I don't know how many we have left by the time you see this video, so make sure to go check that out. So confused. Let me math real quick. Okay, got the bottoms. Thank God. Give me a second. This is also in the size medium, by the way. Got it. Wait a second. Why is there so much space right here? I'm not tall enough. Then it's saggy down here. Ta-da! How's it going? Okay. So I will say I do really like this blue color. It's a sharp royal blue. I honestly don't feel like it will give a lot of coverage. It's see-through and it is lace. Also, the chest besties like kind of come up right here. You'll see lots of straps. I feel like sausage links. You know, I'm always like so confused what these are for. The part is too long. Like I'm so short. Bundles up if I like have it normally. Look. That's on me though. There's access down here. Straps are adjustable. I like that there's a little patch right here to like cover up the tummy a little. This strap, why, for what? It's just adding to the sausage link leg. So I'm not like fond of that. Girl, you don't even want to see the back. What is this doing for me back here? If I had to rate this, 2 out of 5. Good try. This next one is a little plaid moment and it's just like a skirt that crisscrosses at the back. Did it come with the top? Not that I can recall. Maybe this did come with the top. Honestly, I've had these for a while, okay? I'm just exposing myself. You guys know me, I'm not too fond of these little like accessory parts. Okay. Sorry. I do feel like this skirt is super cute. You know, it hides the belly welly for a little bit, for a hot second before it comes off anyway. A little peekaboo cheeks down here, except I don't really have cheeks. I have bones. This could be like kind of fun. It slides off involuntarily. That's in no one's control. Keep your shoulders up, guys. I guess the tie isn't horrible. It makes it a little bit more fun to the eye. Not as plain Jane. Because I do love skirts, I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5. Okay. We have a little leather action going on here. I'm afraid. Give me a second to assemble this. Ooh, leather. Bottoms. I don't want to check. Gotta do what I came here to do. Oh, you want to know why I was afraid? And it's a costume. This isn't for real. If you find this to be really taboo, this is just not the place for you. We tend to empower women, not being ashamed of these kinds of things. I am a little uncomfortable because it's on camera. Besides that, I'm just here to show and I'm gonna just exit. The great thing is that like there's no restraint. You can literally swim if you wanted to. You can literally like do all of this. Access, you know? Oh. Don't do that. You're trying to be sexy in front of someone. Don't do that. That would suck. Should I be concerned? You could literally like work out in here if you want to. Ow. Snatching undie. That looks really weird from afar. This is just not my style. Do you think it's flattering on the body? How does the back look? Oh, yikes. 2 out of 5. Ooh, some color. So this color is very bright, shows a lot of personality, gives off such great vibes. Always a challenge to figure out which strain goes where. Truth prevails. I know it looks like a spider's web. Does it look about right? Oh. I will say the SHEIN lingerie is a little bit better than heyitsfei lingerie thus far. At least we're not just getting straight up like face masks for your panty. Ooh, this color is so pretty on camera. Well, this is a mini halter. It's almost just like putting on a bathing suit. Just trying to make myself feel better right now. Am I wearing this right? And like how much like product you get. I think it may be confusing to someone if I'm confuzzled. What makes you think that he won't be confuzzled? How am I gonna explain myself when the spotlight's on me? What am I gonna say? Looks like we're here to try. we're here to get things done. Literally the only thing I really like is the color. Besides that, I'm not fond of the design. I feel like I walked in with questions. I'm just gonna give this a 2 out of 5. I can show you the world. Here's another size medium from SHEIN. What is happening? Oh, well, this has a cute little bow. Bow marks the spot. Oh. Okay. I'm not a huge fan of the bottoms because I'm just uncomfy with bottoms in general. But the top could be cute. Dainty, very minimal, straight to the point. I like the halter. It's flattering on big shoulders like me. Don't love the bows, but I see why they're there. Like if you're shy or something. Oh, look at me, dainty little me. If you're shy and you don't want to branch out to the complexity of the other lingerie that we just tried on, I think something easy, simple like this could be really refreshing to the eye. Again, with the straps. Oh my golly, I feel bare. Because of this nude suit, I can't really tell how it looks like on my body, if it's sexy or not. I'll be generous. I'll give this a 3 out of 5. Okay, this next one looks like a bikini. It's a one piece. Take it slow. Okay, let's just do this first. Okay, seems like we tied this on prior. Look at this piece. What do I do? Like, does it go around both legs? I could be wearing this completely wrong. Ah! Okay, no. Maybe it's just this. Now this is like a diaper. Is it like that? I don't know. I'm just gonna hang it for now. I still have these chains that have no idea what they're supposed to be. So I have nothing to say. It's too confusing, one. Maybe I'm wearing it opposite. Is this supposed to be the bottom? 0 out of 5. In the material side, so I don't know. I think it was supposed to just be like a heart belt that ties to your thighs, but okay, so the last lingerie piece, this is the most confusing thing. As you can see, I've attempted to try this on and I've always taken it off in disappointment. You just wait and see. I don't know how to get into this. Like, what? I'm just gonna have to put myself through it. Look, it's coming apart. So you put your body through this. Okay, put your body through this. Okay, that was easy. For the leg parts, like, I get this concept. It's just not gonna stay well on your body. These straps are the worst things ever. It makes me so mad when straps are like just get frustrated. Okay, calm down. Horrible. I would never. This is stretchy for the most part. So maybe if you're into like that stretch, it's nice. No, like it's just not gonna hold. So you know what? We're just gonna, yeah. You know what? Maybe it's supposed to be like this. No, I don't freaking know, and I don't care. Ugly. It just shows the worst part of me. I feel pregnant in this. The stockings, I don't know why I kept this for so long. It's time to go home. This is just poorly made. It's kind of, just so unflattering. I don't know if you or I would ever wear this. Why bother? You know what I mean? It just heightens my trypophobia, if anything. It feels very Halloween-esque, so ugly. You're not gonna feel good about yourself. No, why? Never in a million years. I don't know why, but the more I look at it, it pisses me off. I'm getting mad at this. And not down, because I hate how it makes my body look. That's just pissing me off. Negative 5,000 out of 5. I guess that's it for this video. I know the Valentine's Day, spicy Valentine's Day is coming up. So maybe I'll do like the Amazon version because we love Amazon Prime. Thumbs up this video if you want to see that. And until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't